Thanks for tuning in, everybody. This video is going to be about Lithium's Hyper Cleanse All-Purpose Cleaner. It's supposed to be an all-purpose cleaner originally designed for leather, but you can use it on plastic and vinyl. It's not supposed to be solvent-based, so it's supposed to be more gentle on the, especially leather. It's not supposed to dry out your vinyl, your plastic, your leather. So I got as part of the June 2022 Glovebox subscription box. So we're going to give it a try. Got my handy dandy curveball brush from Detail Factory that I made a video about. That's really cool for doing interiors. I'm gonna give this Jeep Wrangler door panel a shot with the Hyper Cleanse. See how it does. Sprays on. Doesn't seem to have too much of a smell. Yeah, just has a real mild chemical smell. So we're gonna take the curveball brush to it, and we're gonna give it a working over with the brush. This stuff is foaming up pretty nice, so hopefully y'all can see. These curveball brushes are really cool, and I'm talking about in that video, but I am highly impressed with this thing. This stuff does foam up some. I was disappointed in my other video that I couldn't get that Adams leather and interior cleaner to foam up. I figured it would, but I mean, it cleans just fine. I've used it for a while. So we're gonna put the brush down. We're gonna wipe off the Hyper Cleanse. I want to see if this leaves any kind of sheen or what. You can see it leaves it nice and clean. If y'all can't tell, my wife does not keep her vehicle like I keep mine, but she's not a car person, but she likes her Jeep. So this is a nice product. Like I said, supposedly it's safer for your material and foams up nice with a brush, wipes off real easy with a towel. So put some protection on there and work on the other 4-door panels. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Like and subscribe if you like these. I like playing with new products and having fun making videos with them.